Biz tip, so here are 4 reasons why your company registration is rejected by ACRA. So the first reason, your company name is not giving. You need to avoid those company names that are already in use, reserved, contains offensive meanings and negative connotations. Number 2, not having a valid registered address. You can either choose a virtual office, a physical office, or your home address as your registered address. Bear in mind, those information will be publicly available in the records. Number 3, you don't have a local director. You have to have a local director, either a Singaporean, a permanent resident holding an EP, or Entrepass nominee director to act on your behalf. Number 4, registering the wrong SSIC code. In Singapore, there are a lot of grants and supports that were given to the business is based on their SSIC code. Be sure to choose wisely. Bonus tip, always engage with the professional when it comes to administration matters to save you more time and more cost.